In this video, I'm going to show you how to use eye contact correction in CapCut. First thing you need to do is to head over and click on the edit option on the bottom page, then click onto this new project. You need to allow access to your actual CapCut in order to get those. Now I have in here this particular video. Now you can just select in here the video that you want to use. Now click on add in order to add that particular video. Now just wait for this to actually load. Once it's done loading, you can head over and then edit it into the CapCut editor itself. Now it should be able to show up right here. Now as you can see, the woman is not staring. What we can do is we click on the clip and then swipe through here, and then we have in here the eye contact. Click onto this right here and make sure to enable this by clicking onto this toggle icon. Now this will apply an eye contact option onto this one. Just wait for this to successfully load and then click on check, and it should be able to show you in here the woman doing eye contact on you onto this particular part unless she's actually looking down. So that's how you use eye contact correction in CapCut. Hope we helped.